Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you TikTok how to upload sound. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your TikTok app. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the plus icon on the bottom of the screen. And once you're here, all you gotta do is select a photo, right? For example, let's say this. Now in order to add sound, there is an option on the top. Now here what you can do is select the song that you want to add, and all you gotta do is tap on it and then cut it, as the TikTok recommends only 1 minute of the song. And once you're done with that, all you gotta do is tap on this tick icon or tap on this everyone can view icon, and that's basically how to upload sound on TikTok. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.